Okay, can you see me? Okay, very good. So here I have taken two color papers. I'll show you. I have taken two color papers. One is yellow color and one more is red color. Okay. Full papers you have to take like this. Full two strip papers you have to take like this. Two papers. Okay. Like broad sheet. Any two color paper. Please put on your cameras, everyone. I want to see. Everyone, please put on your cameras. I want to see which color papers you have taken. Any two color papers you can take. Right. So here, take any one color paper. Any one of them you can take. Okay. So fold it like this. Any one paper you take and fold. See here, I have taken full paper like this and fold it like this. Fold it. Like this you have to fold it. Did you fold it? Please put on your cameras, everyone. Those who are doing this activity, everyone should compulsory do this. And this activity, whatever you are doing, you have to paste it in your notebook or an activity file. Am I clear? Like this, you have to fold. Right? See here, I have folded. Like this, you have to fold. Right? Then here, this end. Okay, this end. Here, like this again, you fold it. Can you see it? Like this, you have to fold. Two papers I have folded, and like this you fold it. At the end, one end, where we can open it. Right? Fold it. Small, only half inch you can fold like this. Yes. So after folding this, take scissor. No, only one side. Where it is opening end. Where it is opening now, there you fold that two papers, join it and fold it like this. Then wherever it is unopened, yes, here, this end, here you can see this end, right? From this end, you go on start cutting paper like this. I will show you. Till where we have fold at another end. Like this we have to cut it. Are you able to see that? Yes? Yes? Wherever it is not open end, right? From there you fold it and from here start cutting the paper till end, but don't cut it fully. like this. See, here I have not cut, and again you go on cutting till the end where you have folded. I'll cut and show you. Like this you have to cut. Okay, see here, one strip, two strip, three strips, like this. So when I cut this, the paper will look like this. Here I did one more. See here. Like this you have to do. Can you see that? Like this you have to do. Is it understanding how to cut the paper? See here. I have cut like this. Here till here we have to cut. See here and here also at this end. I have not crossed this line till here. So it should look like this. Right? Understanding what I'm telling? Show me a paper. How we have cut the paper? Show me. Please everyone show your papers how we have cut. Oh, who is that Pritam Torgal? No, it is wrong. Yes, it is correct. Open it. Unfold the paper. Unfold the paper. Unfold your papers like this and show me. Yes, very good. Yes, very good. Arundhati did good. Mallika, sir, who is that? Mallikarjun. Yes, good. Pritam Torgal, good. Again here, Shripad Joshi. So after this, again take one more color paper which you have right now and make strips of that paper like this. Make separate strips. Okay, that is good. Keep it aside. This paper, keep it aside and take strips like this. Take one more color paper which you have now and make strips like this. Right? See here how I do it. Like this you have to cut that one more paper. Do it fast and cut all papers of same size. How I did, see how I cut. Same paper with the same size. See here. Same size. Okay? Like this. Do it fast, students. Okay. So these are what we are required with the papers. One paper like this and one more papers that we have cut in the form of same size. Yes, very good. Mallikarjun, good. Yes, Shripad Joshi, good. Then again, Arundhati. Only these four people are doing the activity. Remaining all, very all. I want everyone to do this activity and paste in your activity file. Otherwise, you will lose the marks. Yes, like that. Separate that strips like this. Okay. Yes, good. Then afterwards, take this paper which we have cut in middle and made strips like, and take these papers or the strips, these strips and just start inserting